Good evening, friends. So let's look this technology, how to do this to JDK 8, how to install in 32-byte computer. So first thing we have to download. So this is very easy to download. Look on the internet and find the document. You can follow this how I am doing the download. You can follow this and you can download. It's very easy. So first thing we have to download Java download. So this is the, and here we have to choose the file according to configuration of your computer, whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit. So according to that you have to choose, and then you can click that and you can download. You have to save in somewhere, some folder in your computer. Normally I save, normally it automatically, if you don't choose the file where you are saving, then you have to look in the download folder. There you can find this file, or either you can choose you want to download this file to in this folder. Okay, so now it is downloading. Let's see how long it will take to download. If your internet connection is fast, then it won't take too much time. And sometime maybe the server is busy, many people are accessing to download the file, so that time maybe it will keep you in the queue, but normally it downloads very fast depending on the internet connection of your home or of your mobile phone. So now we have to we have downloaded already. Now we have to open the file, this file. We have to start to look where it is. Okay, it's very easy. You just follow the what I am doing in the video. You just have to follow this. So let's I have to find the folder. Okay, once you find, you have to click on that. Security file, you have to click, and you can install. Now it started. Means you just try to follow whatever they are recommending. Now it's very easy. You just have to follow it. So now I have to install in a folder. Now so we have to select one for installing. Okay, we select it. Ready? Now it is started. Now see. So now we had to wait. I don't know how long it will take, but we have to wait. So it's depending on your speed of the computer. So speed of the internet, speed of the computer, speed of the is, and also it depends on the. Or right now, no, we are installing. So in this case, no, we don't. Because the folder, the file is already downloaded in my computer, so it's depending on the your speed of the computer. Okay. The processor, what type of processor you have in your computer, depending on it. So let's see how long it will take. I don't think it will take too much time, but so sometime I'm stopping to recording the video because I don't want to waste your time. So that's why I'm be clicking on the red button to stop the recording the video. So it will take time. It's not that it will happen immediately. It will take time. Few minutes it will take. Once it's installed, so the same thing we have to follow. Whatever written, we have to read, and whatever instruction it is written, we have to follow the same instruction. 3 billion devices run Java. So you have seen 3 billion people know this devices. 3 billion devices. In those devices, the Java is running. 3 billion is too much, too many. But it's okay. So now let's see when it will finish. It is taking time, but no problem. We have to wait and read whatever written, because it's very important to read the recommendations or instructions, because sometimes we have the doubt which step we have to follow. So but I always choose the what normally I choose whatever the software itself is recommending me. Okay, sometimes it is written recommended or personalized. So I always choose normally I choose the recommended. So now let's see how it will take time. Again I have to stop, again I have to start. Okay, so Java is important for a computer because if you don't have this in your computer, sometimes the programs are not working. They are always asking, you have to install the Java in your computer. So it's very important. We have to install, we have to keep updated. First thing we have to download, and then we have to keep updated this program. Now let's see what will happen. So these are the steps which you have to follow. If you want to install Java in your computer, you just have to follow this. So 32-bit, 36, 64-bit. So you can download very easily in that. You have to search in computer on the internet, and then you have to download and install it. See, there are too many things. We have to check everything, whether everything is working well or not. It's very important. We have to check everything. You have to write. Okay. So you have to follow the steps which you are seeing in the computer in the video. You just have to follow, and you'll. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, just click on the subscribe button and notification button also, and do like or dislike. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.